Pick a real-world dataset, river lengths, stock prices, city populations. Look at the first digit of every number. You'd expect each digit 1 through 9 to appear about 11% of the time, but that's not what happens. Benford's law, why 1 is everywhere and 9 is rare. The digit 1 appears about 30% of the time, 2 about 17%, 9 under 5%. Discovered in 1881 by an astronomer, Newcomb, who noticed log tables. The pages starting with 1 were dirty and worn. The pages starting with 9 were pristine. Why does this happen? Because nature loves multiplicative growth. Going from 1 to 2 takes 100% growth. Going from 9 to 10 takes only 11. So you linger at small leading digits. The exact formula. P of D equals log base 10 of 1 plus 1 over D. It works for almost any process spanning many orders of magnitude. Forensic accountants use it to spot fake numbers. Real ledgers obey Benford. Made-up ones don't. The IRS uses it. Election auditors use it. Faking a number distribution is harder than it looks. It's the law nature wrote, and humans rarely guess.